Could you please call item
78.
78?
Item 78 is a resolution to urge industry companies to divest from coal and tar sands industries and to end the underwriting of activities in furtherance of the extraction or use of coal and tar sands.
Supervisor Peskin?
Madam President, I'll be brief with my comments. I just want to thank the Sunrise Project, which is going to great lengths to highlight that we are truly in a race against time as it relates to climate change. The board previously and unanimously supported resolutions to urge the city's pension to divest from fossil fuel and tar sands and coal. And I want to acknowledge the service that Supervisor Cohen rendered on that board and acknowledge that Supervisor Safai has now replaced Supervisor Cohen on the retirement board, and I know that he will continue working on fossil fuel divestment. But this effort hopefully will prove easier than our fossil fuel divestment efforts as it relates to insurance, because insofar as San Francisco is largely self-insured, this genie is not that far out of the bottle, and I look forward to following up with GSA staff to assess the best path forward. I have three very minor amendments in the long title. Before the word industry, we should insert insurance, add an S to sands, so it's tar sands, and on page 2, line 21, correct a typo that out should be our, so I'd like to make those amendments and then pass the item as amended.
All right, thank you very much. Supervisor Peskin, once we take our vote, I'd like to add my name as a co-sponsor to this. I think it's excellent, and I'm sure Supervisor Safai will continue doing the good work that we've been laying, the groundwork that we've laid already, and the Employee Retirement Board to continue in our steadfast on the divestment of fossil fuel. Supervisor Ronan?
Can I also be added as a co-sponsor?
Absolutely. Anybody else interested in being added? Supervisor Yee is interested. Anyone else? Supervisor Kim is interested. Supervisor Brown, Supervisor Mandelman. Okay, Supervisor Stephanie. Oh. Supervisor Safai. There it is. Supervisor Peskin, we're off to a good start.
Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, can we accept the amendments?
President, yes. Second on that was...
Supervisor Ronan was the second.
Thank you. Okay.
And I'd like to accept, or we would like to take a motion to accept Supervisor Peskin's amendments, and we'll take that without objection. Thank you. As amended. Madam Clerk, how you doing?